आपण आता अरेथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन हा थर्ड चॅप्टर पार्ट 1 मधला बघूया. नाउ सी द फॉलोइंग सिक्वेन्सेस. दीज आर द सिक्वेन्सेस. फर्स्ट इज 1, 4, 7, 10, 13 and so on. In second sequence the terms are 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. This is 5, 5, 5 and so on. And fourth one is 5, 25, 125 and so on. Now see, in first sequence, this is the first term of the sequence, this is second term, this is the third term, this is fourth term, fifth term and so on. Now we get second term from first term by adding 3. If we add 3 to first term we get second term. If we add again 3 to second term we will get third term. If we add 3 to third term we will get fourth term. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी आपण प्रत्येक टर्ममध्ये 3 ॲड करतो आहे आणि आपल्याला नवीन टर्म मिळते. इथं सुद्धा बघा बरं, या प्रत्येक आधीच्या टर्ममध्ये आपण 3 ॲड करतो आहे आणि आपल्याला नवीन टर्म मिळते. इथं बघा फर्स्ट टर्म किती आहे 5, त्याच्यामध्ये आपण किती ॲड केले पाहिजे 0 म्हणजे आपल्याला सेकंड टर्म मिळते. त्याच्यामध्ये परत किती ॲड करूया 0 म्हणजे आपल्याला थर्ड टर्म मिळते. त्याच्यामध्ये परत किती ॲड करतो आहे 0 म्हणजे आपल्याला फोर्थ टर्म मिळते. पण आता हा फोर्थ सिक्वेन्स बघा, इथे बघा 5मध्ये जर 20 ॲड केले तर 25 मिळतील. पण 25मध्ये 20 ॲड केल्यावर आपल्याला हे मिळू शकतात का 125? नाही. मग इथं वेगळा पॅटर्न आहे. इथं काय पॅटर्न आहे बघा, इफ यू मल्टिप्लाय फर्स्ट टर्म बाय 5 वी गेट सेकंड टर्म. अगेन इफ यू मल्टिप्लाय सेकंड टर्म बाय 5, 25 5 125 वी गेट थर्ड टर्म. फॉर फोर्थ टर्म we multiply this third term by 5. That means see, in these 3 sequences there is common part. That means the difference between 2 consecutive term is constant, and then that sequence is called as an arithmetic progression. That means these 3 sequences are arithmetic progression. Why? See here, I have written this first sequence 1, 4, 7, 10, 13 and so on. Now T1 is the first term of the sequence. T1 is 1, T2 is 4, T3 is 7, T4 is 10 and so on. Now see here, take the difference between 2 consecutive terms, means take the difference between T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1 means 4 minus 1 which is 3. Take T3 minus T2, 7 minus 4 which is 3 again. Now T4 minus T3, 10 minus 7 is 3. Therefore the difference between 2 consecutive term is constant which is same all over, it is 3. प्रत्येक ठिकाणी बघा फरक कितीचा आहे 3चा आहे. सेकंड टर्म मायनस फर्स्ट टर्म करायची बरं का. T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3. The difference between 2 consecutive term is constant and therefore it is an AP or arithmetic progression. That common difference we denote by letter D. That common difference we denote by letter D and therefore here D equal to 3. Now see here, T1 is the first term, we also denote it by letter A. T1 is nothing but A. Instead of T1 we can write A. Now see here, T1 means A here, which is here 1. Now T2 कसे मिळेल बघा आपल्याला, T1 मध्ये तो D मिळवला पाहिजे, म्हणजे T1 म्हणजेच A प्लस D. बघा काय येतो A प्लस डी आपला. A किती आहे 1 प्लस D किती आहे 3. आली का सेकंड टर्म 4. T3 म्हणजे आधीच्या टर्ममध्ये आपण D मिळवणार आहोत आणि T1 म्हणजेच T2 म्हणजे A प्लस D म्हणजे किती आलं A प्लस 2D. सिमिलरली T4 काय आलं बघा A प्लस 3D. अँड देअरफॉर व्हॉट इज द Tn? सी T2 A plus D, T2 is A plus D, T3 is A plus 2d. T4 is a plus 3d. That means if it is 4 term, the coefficient of d is less than 1. Here it is 3, here it is 2. Therefore, for n term of an AP, Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the nth term of arithmetic progression. What is the formula for n term of an AP? Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now suppose this is the problem. If a it is in 3.1, if a equal to 6, d equal to minus 3, find that arithmetic progression. Now we will find 2 to 3/4 term of this AP. What is T1? T1 is nothing but a, which is 6. How will get T2? T2 is T1 plus d or a plus d, means 6 plus minus 3. 6 plus minus 3, and which is 3. T3 कसं काढणार आपण? T2 plus d. T3 is T2 plus d. T2 किती आहे? 3 plus d किती आहे? minus 3. 3 plus minus, it is minus 3 minus 3, which is 0. Now T4 कसं काढणार? T3 plus d. T3 is 0. 0 plus minus 3, which is 0 plus minus 3. And what is 0 minus 3? It is minus 3. हे लक्षात घ्या मुलांनो, ह्याच्यात चुका होतात तुमच्या. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. And therefore APs or the terms of an AP is first term 6, second term 3, third term 0, fourth term minus 3, and so on. This is nothing but the AP. Now terms of an AP, actually we have considered above. Here they are T1, T2, T3, T4 and so on, and last n term Tn. Or we can write T1 as A, T2 as T1 plus D, T3 as T2 plus D, T4 as T3 plus D. Or we may write T1 plus D means A plus D, T2 plus D means A plus 2D, T3 plus D means A plus 3D, and therefore Tn is nothing but A plus n minus 1 into d. This is the nth term of an AP. Now see whether the following sequence is an AP or not. See whether the following sequence is AP or not. If AP, if it is AP, जर तो AP असेल तर find T20. Now first we have to check that it is this sequence is AP or not. हा AP आहे की नाही, it is arithmetic progression or not. मग आपण काय काढणार? The difference between two consecutive terms काढणार. If it is constant, then we can say that it is an AP. Now see, this is first term T1, T2, T3, T4, T5. Now T2 minus T1, minus 5 minus 12 means minus 5 plus 12. And what is this? If opposite sign, subtraction, sign of bigger number. T3 minus T2, 2 minus 5, which is 2 plus 5, it is again 7. Now T4 minus T3, 9 minus 2, which is 7. T5 minus T4, 16 minus 9, which is 7. Now see, the difference between two consecutive term is constant. The difference between two consecutive term is constant, which is d is nothing but here 7, and therefore it is an arithmetic progression. Now, if it is an AP, we have to find T20. Now, what is the formula of Tn? Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We have to find T20, means A plus 20 minus 1, 19D. A plus 19D. Therefore, it is, what is A here? First term, it is minus 12 plus 19 into D. 19 into D. Therefore, it is minus 12 plus now opposite side subtraction, sign of bigger number. Therefore, what will be the 20th term of this AP? It is 121. 20th term of an AP is 121. Now, suppose this problem we have to solve. How many numbers between 10 to 250 are divisible by 4? 10 ते 250 मध्ये किती नंबर्स 4नी भाग जाणारे आहेत? हाऊ मेनी नंबर्स बिटवीन 10 to 250 आर डिव्हिजिबल बाय 4? 10 ते 250 मध्ये 4ने भाग जाणाऱ्या किती संख्या आहेत? मग ते आपल्याला काढायच्यात. त्या संख्या किती आहेत त्या काढायच्यात. मग आता बघा बरं, 10 ते 250 मध्ये 4ने भाग जाणाऱ्या संख्या बघूया आपण. द नंबर्स विच आर डिव्हिजिबल बाय 4 बिटवीन 10 to 250 आर. फर्स्ट नंबर इज 12. बिटवीन 10 to 250 काढायचे आहेत बरं का. 12. सेकंड इज 16. Then 20 and so on. Last will be between 250 means last is 248, which is divisible by 4. These all numbers are between 10 and 250 but which are divisible by 4. And we have to find how many numbers are these. Therefore, this is the nothing but T1, this is T2, this is T3 and this is Tn. This is nothing but is an AP. This is nothing but arithmetic progression. The difference between each term is 4. And therefore, this is an AP. And what is Tn here? Tn is nothing but 248. Tn is nothing but 248. What is first term? A. T1 means A is nothing but 12. And what is D here? They are divisible by, numbers are divisible by 4 and therefore D equal to 4. D equal to 4. And now we have to find n means how many numbers are these. Therefore we will write the formula of Tn. A plus n minus 1 into D. 248 equal to A means 12 plus n we have to find out into D means 4. 248 minus 12 equal to n minus 1 into 4. This is 6, 3, 236 equal to n minus 1 into 4. Now this 4 we will take to LHS साइड. गुणाकारातला कुठे येईल हा? भागाकारामध्ये. गुणाकारातला कुठे येईल? भागाकारामध्ये. n मायनस 1 भाग द्या. 4 पंचे 20, 4 9 36. 59 equal to n minus 1. Now take 1 to this side. Minus will become plus and therefore it will be 60 इक्वल टू n. म्हणजे 10 ते 250मध्ये 4ने भाग जाणाऱ्या एकूण संख्या किती आहेत? दे आर 60 टोटल नंबर्स.